What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kryptech, and if you guys are new here, we do a lot of gaming and streaming content here on the channel. I'm a content creator on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick, but my main focus has been YouTube just because I like learning about the YouTube algorithm and ways that I can improve my videos in the long run. One of the things that some people are confused about are how tags help your videos, especially when it comes to shorts. Shorts are small reel-like videos, much like Facebook or Instagram stories, and they can help your channel quite a bit. For instance, one of my videos reached 10,000 views within a matter of days. This is awesome considering I haven't posted in a while, so seeing that kind of reception is honestly a breath of fresh air. But there are some things that I did to help my video do well, and one of these things are tags. Tags are a search engine optimization tool that allows your video to be identified as a certain topic. So for instance, if I wanted to go on YouTube and find a video, maybe I want to watch a Rainbow Six Siege video, I'll type Rainbow Six Siege video, or Rainbow Six Siege streaming, Rainbow Six Siege update. You know, whatever I'm currently looking for, usually it's going to have the topic within that search. So if you add that topic to your tags, more than likely your video is going to start trending for that topic and the algorithm will push it. There are other factors that go into it, but this is a good basis to start on, especially if you don't know where to begin. Another thing that I do is I use the tags as hashtags and pick the top 3 that I think would be very good and probably get clicks. So for instance, if I'm doing a Rainbow Six Siege video, I'm gonna probably put Rainbow Six Siege gameplay, hashtag Rainbow Six Siege gameplay. Simple as that. And another thing that I do to kind of help push that along is putting those keywords in the description. So at the end of my videos, I have the very bottom set with my tags and hashtags. These are awesome ways that you can help build your videos up without needing to do too much work. Granted, it is work because you want to find the best tags that are trending. You know, you want them to have tags that are associated with what's going on in the video. Obviously, if you're playing a Rainbow Six Siege video, you don't want to have like Bluey in there. You don't want that in there because then the algorithm's going to get confused, people are going to get confused, and your video's just probably not going to do well. I wanted to kind of give this video as a starting point for a series of videos that I want to do where we talk about making content, where we talk about becoming a content creator or a live streamer, because quite frankly, I really love the production and I like getting into it and learning and collaborating and just overall doing everything I can to make my content better and share what I've learned along the way. If you guys like this video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends and even your content creator friends, because hey, maybe this will help them out. Definitely let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to go over a topic later on, leave a comment down below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Appreciate it. Much love. I'll catch you guys later.